everyone, it's Mai and welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Local sweet potatoes are in season now, so I will make fried sweet potato balls. All you need is sweet potatoes, cooking oil, and potato starch. 今日は今が旬のなると金時を使った超簡単なデザートを作ってみたいと思います。材料はなると金時芋、揚げ油と片栗粉、その3つだけですので、ぜひ最後までご覧ください。Let's talk about なると金時 sweet potatoes that I'm using today in my desserts. なると金時 potatoes are from Tokushima Prefecture. Among various local sweet potatoes, these sweet potatoes are ranked as top sweet potato brand. If you cook the potatoes, they have the distinctive golden color. They're so sweet, soft in texture, and taste like chestnuts. You may find these potatoes are a little bit more expensive than standard sweet potatoes, but I would say they're definitely worth it. They're so delicious. なると金時芋は徳島県で作られたさつまいものブランドの一種です。中が黄金色でとっても甘くて柔らかいのが特徴です。さつまいもの中でもちょっと高級な部類に入るんですけれども、食べてみるととにかく別格です。First, I want to cook sweet potatoes from water. Let's cook sweet potatoes until they are tender. まず最初にお水からお芋を茹でていきたいと思います。Make sure you have enough water. Depending on the size of the sweet potatoes, cooking time can be from 20 minutes to 40 minutes. But let's cook until the sweet potatoes are tender. お水からお芋を茹でていきます。芋のサイズによって、加熱時間は変わりますが、だいたい20分から40分ぐらい加熱していきます。中まで竹串が通れば OK です。20 minutes has passed. Let's take a skewer and check if they are tender. 竹串で刺してみて中までしっかり火が通っていることを確かめます。I will turn off the heat and let's take potatoes from the water. And while they are still hot, I'm gonna remove the skin. Be careful, they are very hot. 皮を剥くときは熱いので気をつけてください。All skins are removed. I will transfer my sweet potatoes into a mixing bowl. 皮が剥けたらボウルに移します。Let's take a wooden rounded stick or a potato masher and begin to smash the sweet potatoes. すりこぎかマッシャーを使って潰していきます。You don't need to mash the potatoes completely. We just don't want any large bits of potatoes. 多少小さな塊があっても大丈夫です。Let's add 1.5 tablespoon of potato starch to the sweet potatoes. 片栗粉を大さじ1と2分の1入れます。Mix well until they are well combined. 片栗粉が入ったらしっかりと混ぜていきます。Let's round it and make into a bite-sized ball. 片栗粉が入ったらそれぞれを一口サイズに丸めていきます。So balls are complete. Now I'm gonna take some additional potato starch and sprinkle over the balls. 片栗粉をまぶしていきます。Make sure all the balls are covered with potato starch. So it's time to fry these balls. ではこれから揚げていきたいと思います。I'm gonna take a cooking oil.So here is the vegetable oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, or any cooking oil suitable for deep frying. Let's heat the oil and I will bring it to 170. これから油を170度まで熱していきます。If you have a thermometer, you can heat the oil up to 170. But if you don't have thermometer, what I usually do, take a chopstick, take a wooden chopstick and dip into the oil. I'll show you. 温度計があれば170度まで加熱していってください。ない場合は、この木の箸で温度を測ります。Let's take the wooden chopstick, dip into the oil, and if you see the small bubbles coming from the end of the chopstick, that means the oil is up to 170 now. We are ready to deep fry. この菜箸を入れて、先端からですね、シャンパンの泡のようなものが出てくれば170度まで上がっていますので、これから揚げていきます。さつまいもにはもう中まで火が通ってますので、表面にこんがりと揚げ色がつけば OK です。So remember the potatoes are already cooked, so you don't have to deep fry for a long time. You can cook only for about 1 minute and 1 minute and a half. When the surface is nicely golden brown, you can take the potato balls from the oil. Fried sweet potato balls are complete. You know, deep fried foods are always the best when they are fresh, so let me try. ぜひ揚げたてを召し上がってください。このように刺しておやつにぴったりです。いただきます。Fried sweet potato balls are complete. Lastly, I want to deliver my message to farmers in Tokushima Prefecture that I'm so thankful for their effort in making such a beautiful potatoes. 今日はですね、ちょっとこの鳴門金時芋があまりにも美味しくて、感動して思わず日本語で話してしまいました。これを作った徳島県の農家さんが、見てくれたらいいなと思っています。JA 里浦さんこの鳴門金時は里娘 JA 里浦さん、こんな美味しいさつまいもを作ってくれて本当にありがとうございます。このチャンネルでは、日本の美味しい食材を使って美味しいものを世界に届けていきたいと思います。よろしければぜひチャンネル登録お願いします。So thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV.If you like this channel, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!